In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Flodesk with Shopify. This powerful integration allows you to streamline your email marketing efforts by connecting your Shopify store directly with Flodesk, ensuring your customer engagement is more efficient and personalized. Let's dive in and get this set up. First things first, you need to log into your Flodesk account. If you haven't used Flodesk before, it's a simple yet powerful email marketing platform designed to help you create gorgeous, effective emails. Once you're logged in, look for the account settings on your dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to customizing your Flodesk experience. From here, navigate to Integrations. This is where you'll manage connections with other platforms. In the integration section, you should see a range of options for different tools and services you can link with Flodesk. Look for the Shopify card. Shopify, as you likely know, is a dynamic e-commerce platform that powers many online stores. Click Connect on the Shopify card to initiate the linking process. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for all the magic that follows. Next, you'll be prompted to install the Flodesk app within Shopify. This involves a simple installation process that Shopify will guide you through. Keep an eye out for any permissions or authorizations Shopify may ask for during this step. You'll need to authorize access to ensure that both platforms can communicate freely and securely with each other. This process helps establish trust between your store and Flodesk, allowing for seamless data transfer. Once you've successfully completed the installation and granted the necessary permissions, your Shopify store is now connected to Flodesk. You will notice that a new segment appears in your Flodesk account. To find it, head over to Audience and select Segments. The new segment is named after your Shopify store URL, making it easy to identify. This segment will act as a dedicated space where customer data from your Shopify store can be organized and utilized. Now that the integration is complete, you can harness Flodesk's capabilities to create workflows triggered by specific Shopify behaviors. Think of these as automated responses to key actions that occur on your store, such as purchases or instances of cart abandonment. By setting up these workflows, you can ensure that your customers receive timely emails that engage and encourage them, potentially boosting sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. And there you have it, the simple yet impactful steps to integrate Flodesk with Shopify. This integration not only saves time, but also empowers your marketing strategy by keeping your communication targeted and relevant. So go ahead, leverage this connection to its fullest potential, and watch your business grow. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy marketing.